Hi, welcome to Ganam Academy. So today I'm going to show you the easiest way to simplify such expressions. So I hope you enjoy this video and you find it helpful in your academic progress. So we have these two questions. I'm going to illustrate using these two questions. So we have this question that says simplify the expression. Actually, it is two of them for now, but I'm going to add another one as we progress. So we have 3 root 12 plus 2 root 27, the whole of it divided by root 3. So the first thing to understand is that this is a Surds question and we need to just simplify. So the first thing is to simplify step by step from the numerator, and then we are going to combine with the denominator thereafter. So the numerator is this one, where we have 3 root 12 plus 2 root 27. So the first thing we need to know that 12 is a multiple of 4 and 3. So when we multiply 3 and 4, we are going to have 12. So we can rewrite this as root 12. We can rewrite it as the square root of 4 times 3, and 27 we can rewrite it as 9 and 3. So writing this is the same as 9 times 3, because when we multiply 9 and 3 we are going to have 27. So we can also rewrite this as, when we separate them, we can rewrite as the square root of 4 times the square root of 3, and this one we can rewrite it as the square root of 9 times the square root of 3. So in this case here, the square root of 4 is going to be 2. So we're going to write this as 2. When we multiply by root 3, we're going to have 2 root 3. And when we square root 9, we're going to have 3. So we're going to write as 3 root 3. So when we rewrite this here, we're going to have 3 into bracket this root 2 root 3 plus this 2 into bracket 3 root 3. We can also write the denominator here, so we're going to have the square root of 3. So basically this one from here, so this is the same as this, but we have just simplified. So this is the same as, when we open this bracket, we're going to have 6 root 3 plus 6 root 3, the whole of it divided by root 3. It does have 2 pages so that we cannot confuse ourselves. So having this, so we can take this and combine the like terms. So from the rules of Surds, if we have the common root inside here and it is addition, we're going to add the ones outside. So we're going to have 6 plus 6, we're going to have, so the whole of it is equal to 12 root 3 divided by this root 3. So this root 3 and root 3 is going to cancel. So the final answer we are going to have is 12. So that is the final answer for the first question, that is question number A. So the next question we have 5 root 75 minus 4 root 48 plus 3 root 27, the whole of it divided by 2 root 3. So we are going to repeat the same procedure where we are going to open is, we're going to simplify first the numerator. So the same here, the same thing we did previously, we're going to do the same thing here. So root 75 is the same as 25 times 3 which is the same as the square root of 25 is 5, so we are going to write as 5 root 3. So in this 48, so root 48 is equal as 16 times 3, the whole of it square root. So square root of 16 is 4, so we're going to rewrite as 4 root 3. So the next one here is 27. So root 27, we are going to rewrite it as 9 times 3, just the same as the one we had previously here. So we're going to have as 9 times 3, the whole of it square root. So we are going to have the square root of 9 multiplied by the square root of 3. So we are going to have 3 root 3. So we come here and rewrite it here. So we're going to have 5 into bracket 5 root 3 minus 4 into bracket 4 root 3 plus this is inside the bracket plus 3 into bracket 3 root 3. Let us first simplify the numerator. So in this case we are going to have 5 multiplied by 5 is 25 root 3 minus 4 multiplied by 4 is 16 plus 3 multiplied by 3 is 9 root 3. So 25 minus 16 plus 9, the whole of it multiplied by root 3. So this one we are going to have 18 root 3. So that is the numerator. So rewriting it together with the denominator, so taking this on the other side, we're going to have 18 root 3 divided by this one. We had 2 root 3. So this one is the same as this, but these have been simplified. So we are going to have, this is going to cancel out with this, so we're going to have 18 all over 2. So when we simplify further this, we're going to divide 18 by 2, which one 18 by 2, which will give us 9. So the final answer here is 9. So I want to give you one for you to try, so I will just write it here. So try this, where we have 4 root 50 minus 3 root 18 plus 5 root 8, the whole of this divided by 3 root 2. So what you should be expecting here as the final answer is 7. So but first of all, try to use this step-by-step formula here to solve this. So I hope you enjoy. So let's meet in the next video where we'll be solving linear motion problems. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share this video to anyone who might be helped by this simplifying method. Let's meet in the next video.